All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm tired. I'm tired of all of the false information that's being given out nowadays here. All of this false information. We got people who putting cameras in their cars, just like how you see I have the camera set up here. And they're trying to tell you or teach you how to drive safely in New York City. Meanwhile, I don't think these people who are doing this, they don't have the formal training. They don't have the experience that I have as far as teaching people how to drive. I noticed that when they say things that are wrong. They say things that are not safe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my camera in the same spot as you can see, and I'm gonna teach you guys the right way, the safe way, how to drive around in New York City. Because there is a safe way, there is a correct way. We're not gonna be talking about spawning, anything cars spawning or coming out or cutting people off, or that's just what you're gonna have to do is cut people off. No, that is not safe. That is not the correct way to drive. That is not the safe way to drive. What you need is patience. You need experience. You need your eyes to move when you drive. You need to anticipate when you drive. All of those things play a part in your success. So if you're watching videos and they're telling you, oh, cars are spawning, oh, look at that pedestrian, oh, let me just go around them, or no, we're not doing that. You'll never pass your road test that way. And if you have your license already, that's not the safe way to drive. Let's do it right. Let's do it the safe way. Check out more videos on this channel. I'll see y'all soon. I'm out.